What's up you guys, Rich here, yes, bring you yet another video. And in this video guys, we're gonna go and check out a one-level villa in Puerto Royo, only 10 minutes from Ajijic here on Lake Chapala in Mexico. This beautiful property was built in 2015, Casa Diego. So if you're new to the page guys, please consider subscribing, hit that notification button and give it a thumbs up. I upload videos every single week here, talking about real estate, showing you properties, showing you lifestyle here in Mexico. So without further ado, let's go and check out Casa Diego, shall we? Come with me guys, it's going to be a great little tour today. Really happy to show you this fantastic property here in Puerto Royo. Stay tuned guys, the video is on its way. Welcome to Casa Diego. This is a condominium, gated community, 10 minutes from Ajijic. We have a 2-bedroom and a den in this property. It comes partially furnished. Casa Diego is listed at $355,000 US. It's got a fantastic area out the back for socializing, really nice terrace. First thing first, as you notice, the house has a carport. There's probably room for 2 vehicles, and you could probably put a third one here as well. So yeah, there's plenty of room here. We're coming into the property north facing, and the front of the house is south facing. So this property has loads of natural lights. You've got a little area, like a storage area here. And also here on your left-hand side, you have a little entrance to go all the way to the garden, so the gardener can go this way without coming through the house. The lot size is 3,358 square feet, which comes out at 312 square meters, and the construction comes out 2,551 square feet in meters, 237. It has lake views, mountain views. Puerto Royo has a fabulous clubhouse that we need to go and check out after the video. So stay tuned all the way to the end of the video and I'll show you the clubhouse. It has a swimming pool, heated swimming pool, jacuzzi, and a pretty good gym as well. I want to show you the main living area and the master bedroom first, and then we'll come back to the north wing of the property. You'll notice here the skylight, so you get plenty of natural light coming in to the property. I love this idea. It's the second house I've shown recently that has a mobile island in the middle. It totally works. This area also has some natural light coming from the cupola. So taking you into the main living area, dining area, that leads really nicely on to the outside terrace, south facing. Let me show you the views of the lake. If you wanted to have grass, you could quite easily take this up and put some grass there if you have a little doggy. But you have an area in front of the house, you're not facing any neighbours. So you have an area in front of the house that you can take your little dog out. Guys, I want to give you a little zoom in here, just so you can see where the lake is, all right? So I'm just going to zoom in, there we go. You've got some nice views, it's a little bit blown out today, but you do see the lake from here, all right? And of course, over here, Garcia Mountain, just in front there. It's a good hike, if anybody's into hiking, really, really good hike. Here, this is the entrance for the garden to come inside now. Taking you into the master bedroom now. Also topped off with this really nice Boveda ceiling, some nice cove lighting, I want to give you a look coming into the master bedroom from the patio outside, the south-facing patio. If you're interested in seeing the property, let me know. I'll be happy to take you out and show you this beautiful property, Casa Diego. So you can walk straight out of the master bedroom, and this takes you around into your entertainment area. All right, let's take you back into the house. Let me show you the other bedroom and the den. And then to finish it off, I'm going to take you down to the clubhouse so you can check that out, guys, yeah? So this is the second bedroom with a walk-in closet. Again, a nice Boveda ceiling. This is the queen bed, so it's a little bit smaller, but you could put a king in here, no problem at all. You have a walk-in closet here. I'm going to just show you the den. This could easily be turned into another bedroom if you just wish to, if you just would like to put a door here. Easily another bedroom, but they have it open for a TV space. So welcome to the clubhouse here in Puerto Royo. Just look at the size of that pool. Isn't that, it's a hotel pool. So you have this area just in front is a nice kind of socializing area that has its own kitchen, plenty of seats and couches to come and chill with friends. Here on your right hand side, this is your own barbecue area. So they have two big barbecues here. So you can come down here and do your cooking like you're in a resort, you know, it's fantastic. I really like this clubhouse. And this pool will be getting sun most of the day. Isn't this a great space? And in the back there you have a fully equipped kitchen. You have a fully equipped gym just here. Also here on my right hand side, you have a jacuzzi tucked away for a little bit of privacy. Oh, I want to get in there now and have a little dip. Let's go and check out the gym, guys. Pretty well-equipped gym, if you ask me, for a gated community. I would like to work out in here and then jump in the pool and the jacuzzi afterwards. That'd be awesome. So as per usual, guys, I will leave all the information down below in the description. If you would like to come and take a look, a private viewing of Casa Diego, feel free to contact me. My email's down below if you need any additional information like inventory lists, stuff like that. Any questions that you may have on this property or any other property for that matter. Also, guys, I want to let you know that I am also a listing agent. If you do need help marketing your property here in Lake Chapala, in Mexico, feel free to contact me with any questions that you have, and I can give you some little tips and tricks of the best ways to market your property and get it sold. I'm going to flip the camera around so I can close off the video. Thank you so much, guys, for coming along on this little tour today. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I upload videos every single week about living here in Mexico. Check out the podcast as well, The Rich Varney Show, link in the description. And guys, I will see you in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos.